तो वो मंदिर वालों को भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है बस की वजह से, जबकि रूट चेंज होना चाहिए। मतलब जितने आप कस्बे के एरिया में जाएंगे बस का रूट सबसे ज़्यादा छोटा है, तो वो बड़ा होना चाहिए बस का रूट।
Because if you see, there are multiple people having ganjas, alcohol in my area also. बघा इथं.
Second is their road extensions and traffic problem.
चेन स्नॅचिंग वगैरेचं पण प्रमाण जास्ती झालं आहे.
With the Maharashtra Assembly election some mere days away, it will be a very interesting to see who will form the next government in Maharashtra. Today, we are standing in the Kasbapet Assembly constituency, knowing a brief history about the constituency. Since 1995, this constituency has been a stronghold of the BJP. Girish Bapat formed the government in this constituency, and since 1995, he has been the MLA. In 2019, after 24 years, BJP's Mukta Tirak was elected as the MLA. However, in the 2023 by-elections, surprisingly, Congress's Ravindra Dhangekar won the by-elections and became the MLA of the Kasbapet Assembly constituency. Let's listen in to several citizens. What are their problems? What are their expectations from the new government and more?
Right now, there are no pending problems. Before there were, because the current MLA who was there, so he wasn't working well, to be frank. And the contender now who's contesting election, who's Hemantji Rasne, he had worked since last 1.5 years consistently every day in every ward. Every day in morning is attending people's problem and solving the problem day to day in day to day life. Expectations are very basic expectations. That is redevelopment. Second is their road extensions and traffic problem.
तो बहुत सारे खड्डे हो गए कि डेवलपमेंट का तो काम बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है। बिल्डिंग के रास्ते छोटे हो चुके हैं और जाने के लिए रास्ता नहीं है। और सबसे मेन बात तो पीएमटी बस का रास्ता जो आप देखेंगे यहाँ से, तो कितना छोटा रास्ता है, फिर मंदिर की गर्दी होती है, तो वो मंदिर वालों को भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है बस की वजह से, जबकि रूट चेंज होना चाहिए। मतलब जितने आप कस्बे के एरिया में जाएंगे बस का रूट सबसे ज़्यादा छोटा है, तो वो बड़ा होना चाहिए बस का रूट। स्टॉल जो रास्ते पे आ रहे हैं उसको पीछे लीजिए, रास्ता बड़ा कीजिए। खास करके रोड को, ट्रॅफिक को बहुत प्रॉब्लेम हो रही है सिटी एरिया में।
मारामाऱ्या गुन्हेगारी भरपूर प्रमाणामध्ये वाढली, ती सुधारण्याचं काम करावा. चेन स्नॅचिंग वगैरेचं पण प्रमाण जास्ती झालं आहे, ते त्याच्यामध्ये सुधारणा व्हावी यासाठी प्रयत्न करावे, एवढीच आमची इच्छा आहे.
There are some multiple problems which needs to be solved. So first is the road problem. The roads in not only for my particular area, for the whole Pune area. Because if you see the condition of the roads in these pet areas, it's not very good. So first thing is the road problem should be solved. Second part is the garbage problem. Means now it has been handled, but only up to 50 to 60%. Now more than 50%, because if you see the garbage is near that government office only. So the garbage needs to be handled properly. So main concern is about the roads, because if you see mainly the pet areas, it's all upar niche, and it's very poor conditions. So the road should be looked after, and the garbage problem solution also should be done. In my constituency, I expect the security surveillance systems, because if you see, there is no security system. Only one camera is installed in the chowk area, but we need surveillance in every area, because if you see, there are multiple people having ganjas, alcohol in my area also. People are having on roads. No one is looking after that. They are having ganja, cigarettes, alcohol. Once after 10 p.m., no one is them. They are having. So if the security system is installed properly, we want to have this. And also the cleaning in my area should be done properly. Cleaning. So yes, my first concern will be before the roads. It should be the security, the cameras, CCTV cameras. It should be installed, and either we should have the recordings, so that we can look, because even after complaining multiple times, no means action is taken, but after 1 month people are coming again and smoking at the same spot, and they are leaving. So it's very difficult for our ladies also to cross at the night time. So this is the first and main issue: security and surveillance. It should be installed.
This is Shreyas Wange for Pune Times Mirror.